Now, if you're looking for a morning or afternoon icy coffee chocolate treat, then I have you covered with this delicious mocha smoothie.
G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Everyone knows how much I love my coffee, but you mix it with some chocolate, it's even better, especially in the morning or mid-afternoon. So join me today as I make my version of a chocolate chip mocha smoothie.
Now we're going to start off with the delicious ingredient, coffee. Now I'm going to use 2 shots worth, but you can also use regular coffee, and you want to aim for about 3/4 of a cup worth. But if you have an espresso machine, then I'd go for a double shot. This part of the recipe just comes down to how much coffee you want in your smoothie.
Okay, so for this simple recipe, I'm just going to use a stick blender, but you can use a normal blender if you like. So to start off with, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of ice. Then I'm going to follow that up with our 2 shots of coffee, or 3/4 of a cup of regular coffee. Then about 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Now the reason I'm choosing Greek yogurt, it's just because it's pretty much non-flavorable. You can also use vanilla. Then a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And we're going to top it off with 4 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. And we're just simply going to blend this up until it's all well combined.
Now this is completely optional, but I've just whipped up some fresh cream to put on top. And if you're adding cream, well, this part isn't optional because I'm going to drizzle on some more delicious chocolate.
Now would you look at that lovely chocolate icy coffee goodness. Now I'm not going to lie, it's definitely not the healthiest way to start off a day, but it's definitely one of the more delicious ones. But it's perfect for a midday snack, especially on a hot day. But there's coffee and chocolate, so even on a cold day, it's still delicious. So give this one a go, because I guarantee if you love coffee and you love chocolate, you'll think this tastes simply delish.